Hello and welcome aboard the beautiful AmaCello. This award-winning ship is 110 meters and I'm delighted to take you on a tour that includes some of aamaWaterways' signature amenities. Let's take a look inside. Here is our lobby where guests embark, depart the ship for our included excursions and can ask questions at the main reception desk. Complimentary postcards can be mailed from here, and this is the place where guests may also settle their account at the conclusion of their river cruise. Our main lounge is our central gathering place for safety briefings, lectures, our daily complimentary sip and sail cocktail hours, and nightly entertainment. Tapas, light lunch, and late night snacks are also offered in the lounge. Plus, with floor-to-ceiling windows, it always offers a picturesque view. Below the main lounge is our main restaurant where guests gather for breakfast, lunch and dinner, which are all included in the river cruise fare and prepared with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. On our violin deck, you will find our hair salon and spa room, where you may treat yourself to a variety of massage treatments for a nominal fee. Inside of our fitness center, you may work out on a state-of-the-art equipment. To the left of our reception desk is our intimate onboard gift shop, which offers a variety of gifts available for purchase, from jewelry to local souvenirs to apparel. And at the rear of the ship is the Chef's Table Specialty Restaurant, where every guest may make reservations to dine once during their 7-night cruise. Here, a small number of guests can watch our expert chef prepare their exquisite multi-course tasting menu, which is served with complimentary fine wine. This is one of our DE category staterooms, which features 2 windows at the river level, a desk, and a seating area, as well as a bathroom with a shower. Here, you will find our ABC category staterooms, which features a lovely French balcony. Of course, you may also treat yourself to a suite, which offers additional space, a bathroom with both a shower and tub, and special surprises and delights as you embark. The sun deck features a heated whirlpool, seating areas, and walking track. This is also the spot where our wellness host leads our complimentary fitness classes, such as morning yoga, dance classes and more, when the weather permits. Thank you for joining us today on the tour of the lovely AmaCello. We cannot wait to have you on board, to pamper you and to provide you an unforgettable river cruise experience.